What up, YouTube? So this right here is a stud converter. This supposedly takes your car from a 5x112 to a 5x114.3. Let's see if it works. So one of the first things you gotta do is jack up your car and find the jack lift point. If you ever lifted up a car before, you know it's the pinch weld right there. Before you start lifting up the car, make sure your parking brake is on. Before you actually fully jack up the car, make sure you break the bolts free, then use your impact gun to start. All right, once you get your wheels off, come in, get these all nice and cleaned with some WD-40. Throw this in a couple times. Get it nice and clean in there. Make sure you feel no scraping. So next you want to clean off the surface with a dry rag. We'll start putting the thread lock on it. So I had to go to the store and get some. I'm using the blue. I know the red is tougher and holds on better, but I eventually do want to take these off. With a thread lock, you just want just a couple drops. That's all you need. And start rotating in. Go all the way in, pull all the way out, then back in. Take your 5.5, so it should be 40 Newton meters torque. All you need once you hear that click. Then do the rest of them. Once it's all torqued down, now we gotta let the thread lock dry. It takes about 10 minutes. All right, now that it's been some time and it should be hardened, I went off and cleaned the wheel, made sure they're ready to go on, gave me something to do. So let's go, let's try it for the first time. Like a glove. I went to AutoZone, bought these for a temporary use because this was the only thing I could find that reached all the way in. Seems like it fits to me. So this is how you go from a 5x112 to a 5x114.3. I'll put a link down below on where to get these studs if you want to do this. So the next thing to do is take your 1700 Newton meters of torque. You call it there. So I just finished the driver's front. Now I'm gonna go to the driver's back. Then I'm gonna repeat in all four corners. And that's it, guys. So as you can see, it's finally dark, but we're officially done. I had a few hiccups on my end where I didn't have certain tools. Like I needed a torque wrench. I didn't have that, so I had to go get one. I needed a 17 deep socket for the new lugs. I didn't have that, so I had to go get one. But it's all done. I'm gonna take it for the test drive, see how it feels, and I'll let you guys know. Here is what it looks like. Let's get the other side. A little bit of poke. Let me adjust the wheel. Straighten out. It's not bad. I don't mind it. With that being said, you're gonna want to ride it for about 100 miles and retighten all the lugs. I think it looks good. I like it. So if you want to change your car from 5x112 to 5x114, this is how you do it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Later.